Lego.
Hi, Austin. Hi, Anisa. What are we going to do today?
Today we're going to make slime.
So what's the first ingredient to make the slime?
First we need to put glue.
Alright.
Oh,
Good, good. Put it in.
Mama. Alright.
Okay, Austin, what's next?
Cornstarch.
Alright, let's put it in.
oh,
What's next?
The shaving cream.
We're going to put shaving cream? So what's next, Austin?
Wilson.
Okay, that's enough of it.
Alright. It's thinking.
Okay, so what's the next ingredient, Austin?
Soap.
And soap?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to mix it up really good, Austin?
Yeah. Mama. Mama.
Hey, so what do you think to Austin's hair? You don't know. He has a nice haircut, huh? Okay, Austin, we're getting ready to start making colors out of it now?
Yeah.
Put a bunch of drops. More.
Alright, that's enough.
Okay. Next one. Now it's turning red. Okay, Austin, so once we put the borax, it's starting to like hold it together now. It's turning more into slime.
Yeah.
Can I see it? Can you touch it with your fingers? Pull it out a little bit. Wow, it is. It's starting to come together. Wow, this works.
Looks
like ooze.
ooze, like from the Ninja Turtles. Now I need to take it.
I'm gonna show. This looks yellow slime. Stretch it out.
Whoa! Looks like Christmas.
Bye-bye, honey.